Hi guys, it's Wendy from Ask the Landlady. I'm here with all the tips and tricks to help you make a profit in real estate rentals. And today's question is, how do I deal with traditional banks to obtain financing for my rental properties? Okay, great, good question. Since COVID, it's been very difficult to deal with banks, traditional bank lending. But this financing is not impossible, and it can still be a viable way to build your real estate portfolio because, again, if the numbers work, the numbers work. So first of all, there's going to be a chain of command I do when I try to get financing. First of all, cash. Do I have cash? I've actually taken cash out of like life insurance and bought a property because it was better to do that. If you build up enough cash to buy it, great. That's a great way to do it because all the profit you make is your own, not giving it away to somebody else. Number two, an investor. Maybe you can find maybe somebody in the family wants to partner with you, or a good friend, or somebody else, angel finance, angel investor is willing to finance your property, and you want to do that because you don't want to jump through all the hoops of a bank or have all that down payment. Great way of doing it. Number three, seller financing. I always ask everybody I'm looking at their properties, would you accept seller financing? And if they do, there's a great way to craft that. I've done other videos on that. Check out my book, talk about it more. Amazon, Wendy Myers, Myers. And so that I'm going to go down those three routes first. But if not, I'm going to go to the bank and find out what they can do for me. The best way to get a bank loan is owner occupied, right? If you can live in the house for a year, or it's a duplex and you can live there, you're going to get a much better rate than you're going to get as a real estate investor. So if that's an option, do that. If it's not, you're not going to live there, you're just buying it, you already own a home, then you're going to be subject to 20-25% down, the higher interest rates, commercial loan fees, all those types of things. So when you want to go into this, you want to have a list of questions to ask your lenders, and you want to hit the phones or the emails and just send them all to them. They're going to be things like, how much, what are your rates that you're offering for commercial real estate investments? What's your maximum loan to value that you're going to allow? What down payment do you require? Is there a minimum credit score? What documentation do I need? Excuse me. Are there fees involved? Those are all the types of things that you're going to look at before you enter into this call with the bank investment situation. So again, we're all in here to make a profit. Shoot me a comment. I'd love to hear, do you get your funding from banks or from seller financing or just plain hoard cash? I'd love to hear about it. And as always, have a great day and make a great profit.